Yo, what is up, guys? Today we took two trades, both an L. So the first trade should have not been an L but a break-even trade. The second trade was a bad trade, and I should have not taken that. So those two things, I will get into them right now. So the first trade that I had was this one right here. Let me remove all of these. It was basically It was not in New York. It was pre-New York. So let me get into it. Price took out Asia highs right here. Then we went back down, and I was looking for a possible long to go back up before New York Open, because I couldn't trade New York opening because I had a exam that I had to make, which just should have been like maybe not trade and just take the day off or something. But my stupid head, I want to take a trade. But okay, I saw the swing low. We took out the swing low around here. Oh, my bad. So we took out the swing low right here. I want to see a reaction off of that. This should have like already told me this is not enough of a reaction, and that we could just possibly go back up. But we could just possibly keep going down. But beside that, if you look on the 30-minute, we had some. Wait, if I just remove all of these, continue. Let's start new. If I just cut it to here, you'll probably see it better. So yeah, we did have this 30-minute bearish fair value gap, but we were into a lot of things. We had this 30-minute bullish fair value gap. If we look on the hourly, we had like bullish order flow continuing up. So I was already anticipating us to go higher today, to at least maybe try. I think there's one on the 4 hour. Yeah, at least try and go maybe out of this fair value gap. This is a bearish fair value gap, and I think I had a target in there. I'm not sure, but so yeah, with those things we also had new daily opening gap as well. If I just like right there, new daily opening gap, we were in those things. Also had a OTE optimal trading entry from the 15-minute low to high. We tapped the 0.71 zone. That should have been the entry that I would have taken, but I didn't. Well, which I will get into. So originally I saw this candle getting formed. I wanted to enter from here, but I was already thinking, wait, but the price already went out without me. Then I saw this bearish fair value gap right here, I think. Yeah, that bearish value gap right there. I took the trade, like right there, like right something like this. It just stopped me out, and then it came back to the OTE level, which I just should have waited for. Put my just a limit there and just waited. I should have not like ended off this inversion, because it was just a bad inversion. I was targeting like at least these for value gaps to think that we could possibly go back in there, because if you look on it, we swept quite a bit, and we could just go back up with all the things. 30-minute bullish value gap, new daily opening gap, 15-minute OTE level got respected, 1 hour bullish order block, entry off of one. But yeah, that should have not been the entry. I should have just made the entry out of this level. If I kept this buy limit there and just waited, it would have hit my break even here, and then it would just continue to go back down, and it would just hit me out for break even, which should have just been a break even trade and not a loss, which is just bad on my part. So yeah, should have been break even, a loss. The second trade I took was kind of rushed. I should not have taken that while knowing that we're possibly going to go higher. So wait, let me journal this. Let me put this in my. Oh, sorry. Can I move this? Really? So yeah, break even right there. Also, the stop loss is based on this swing low right here. I was looking to get this respected, to have that get respected. So if we go below that, I think we were gonna probably hit this Asia low. So yeah. Let me see. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me journal this. I had like all these highs where I was targeting, and yeah, sad overall, but it is what it is. Alright, so this was the first L that I took, and the second L was somewhere else. Okay, I'm going to 1 hour. Remove this. Which price did really do my model that I usually trade, which is this right here. Take out Asia low, instant rejection, which is so beautiful, but I just couldn't take. I could not take it because I was not looking at the chart. So beside that, second entry. I don't even know why I took this. This is like such a bad trade overall. We took out London. We took out London high. If we look at the 50-minute, that's like a good closure above it, meaning we will probably not go back down, because a good closure for a reversal is something like this: us making a couple wicks and not getting a good closure above it, which is just a bad trade for me. Then the main reason I think I took this trade was we were in this 15-minute bearish for value gap. We made a huge 15-minute bullish for value gap, and I was just trying to get a possible pullback back into this zone. And so yeah, that was the trade I was looking for, but we didn't get it. We made a small pullback into this into those 5-minute for value gaps, and yeah, and I even took the trade while we already printed this candle, showing us a strong bullish momentum, which should have been enough for me to say, okay, this short is not working. So yeah, that's just a really bad trade on my part. I had this high as my stop loss, and I think I took it somewhere like around, I think I was looking at 1 minute and we hit like this. Yeah, I think it was this. We had this like tiny, and I was targeting this for value gap down in here. Targeting this right here and break even right there. But overall, this was a really bad trade. Should not have taken this. Select bar. I can show you the bearish for value gap. We were respecting it. We were respecting this. Really bad trade. Also another stop loss. Why was it a bad trade? We didn't take. First of all, we did take out London high, but it closed above it with a big, strong desire to go bullish. That's the first reason. Second reason, we took out Asia low, showing us we could go back up, maybe sweep this, so maybe sweep those highs, swing these swing highs, and just look for the third reason. We really respected this 5-minute bullish structure, and like that is not really a good indication for us to go low. Maybe I could have waited for this to get swept and then look for a low for a possible short. If I look, would have done a bit better. I think, yeah, maybe a tiny bit better, but then it would have already been like around 6 p.m, which is like not optimal trading time. And I think if I even targeted that swing high, we even get there, no, but I could have even targeted around there, so we'll probably hit that. But yeah, that's it for today. 2 L's. I kept my I took decent. Wait, I have to go out of here, I think. Decent risk management, yeah. Only took 250 per trade, around 250. Kept it normal. So yeah, nothing too crazy. We can still come back from there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, which I will be trading. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.